Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new workspace or vault inside your account on Obsidian Notes. So let us guide you through this. Launch the Obsidian Notes app, and here in the bottom left guys, click into your current workspace / vault, choose manage vaults, and then here guys to the right, click into create new. Give your vault a name, like, I don't know, example vault 2. And then you may choose the location or directory on your device. So I'm not going to do this because I would like to keep my folders private, but click into this button and next locate the given folder on your device you would like to use. Click into create. As you can see, I need to pick a folder, so let me go with that location here. And that's how it works, guys. As you can see, your new vault has been opened in a new tab. Now if I close that tab and navigate to that menu here in the bottom left, I will be given the opportunity to switch between these two vaults. You can also manage these. Click into these three dots to the right and remove the given workspace if you accidentally created it. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.